Ever needed to share a PDF as a simple link instead of sending bulky files? In this video, you'll learn how to turn any PDF into a shareable URL in just a few clicks, so you can send documents faster, cleaner, and without worrying about file size limits. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create instant shareable links for your PDFs, manage access easily, and streamline the way you send files, whether it's resumes, reports, or client documents. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed PDFelement, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Think about situations like sending your resume, sharing a client proposal, or even distributing study notes. Instead of attaching a file every time, you can just send a link. It's faster, cleaner, and works across any device. It's especially useful for freelancers, students, teachers, and remote teams. Step 1. Import PDF. Let's get started. Open PDFelement on your Windows PC. Click on Open File and select your PDF, or simply drag and drop it into the workspace. Once it's loaded, you'll see your document ready for editing or sharing. Step 2. Edit. Before converting, you might want to make a few quick edits. Head over to the Edit tab, where you can update text, replace images, or fix formatting. You can also add comments, highlights, or signatures if needed. This step isn't required, but it helps make sure your document looks exactly how you want before sharing it. Step 3. Method 1. Convert PDF to URL. Now for the main part. Click on the Share button in the top right corner to upload your PDF to the cloud. Once uploaded, PDFelement automatically generates a shareable URL. Just copy the link and send it via email, WhatsApp, or anywhere you like. Anyone with the link can view the document instantly. No downloads required. Step 4. Method 2. Convert to HTML. If you want more control, there's another method. Go to the Convert tab to HTML. This converts your PDF into a web-friendly format. You can upload this HTML file to your website or hosting platform and access it via a URL. This option is great if you're embedding documents into a web page. Bonus tip: if you don't want to use built-in sharing, you can upload your PDF to Google Drive or Dropbox and generate a link from there. Also, always double-check permissions. Make sure your link is set to viewable so others can access it without issues.
Use case. A candidate converts their resume into a PDF link instead of attaching files repeatedly. A freelancer sends project proposals, contracts, or portfolios to clients as a simple link instead of bulky email attachments. Students share class notes, assignments, research papers, or study guides with classmates through messaging apps or email without worrying about file size. Teachers can share lecture notes, worksheets, exam materials, or course PDFs with an entire class using one link instead of sending files individually. Teams can distribute monthly reports, presentations, invoices, or proposals across departments or to external stakeholders using a secure document link.
Now you know how to convert a PDF into a URL on Windows quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.